Will service dogs be replaced by robots? The eNose could revolutionize chemical detection, medical diagnostics, and industrial safety measures by offering rapid, accurate identification of volatile organic molecules. Fan Jur-yong, HKUST professor, suggests BOCs may soon monitor breath and skin for disease. He says, quote, BOCs, can in the near future also monitor the abnormalities in volatile organic molecules in our breath and emitted by our skin to warn us on potential diseases reaching further potential of biomimetic engineering, unquote. Many industrial processes emit harmful fumes. Pinpointing leaks quickly reduces worker exposure, and eNose could identify low oxygen is from nitrogen or hydrogen, significantly improving response. Unlike trained animals, the eNose offers a safer and more efficient means of detecting chemical threats and monitoring industrial emissions, potentially saving lives and minimizing harm in hazardous environments. Well, there's always doggy daycare.